Alright, so this is a first time I've ever done this, approaching as a naive user, and a lot of options here. It's like you've got these things. I'm not sure why they're different than these, a different kind of lottery, I guess. And these have little numbers up in the left-hand corner. I see these are prices. So you've got all these different kinds of games. I have no idea what they are. You've got numbers up there. You've got a screen here. It just gives you general information, I guess. Another little screen here. Not sure what this is. There's a place to put money in. Oh my God, there's a keyboard too. So, but it looks very similar to this, the same kind of thing, just in a different location. Oh, that's some sort of laser so you can scan your ticket apparently. So there's some repetition of stuff. This looks the same as what's up here, up at the top. And then you have these cards that you can buy. So I'll start out with something inexpensive, and the cheapest one is $1. So I guess I assume you just press this. No, I guess not. So it's got a number on it. So please insert $1 for selection. Okay, so I have to have the right change. It's giving me some. I see now the instructions went away, but they show up when you press it. The screen pops up after I press that, and then I'm supposed to put the money in, I assume. Select any illuminated game button or use play slip to play. I have no idea what that means. Let's try it again. Oh, there we go. I made a noise. Something will come out. I have to figure out how the heck to play it. Probably some scratch off thing. Okay, so I scratch these things off. They're all different. And then it says you can scan front barcode for validation and second chance entry. But I don't see any barcode on the front. And when I scan this, it says invalid barcode, please scan front of ticket. When I put the front of ticket in there, nothing happens. So, am I supposed to put it in here? I've got some other kind of play slip. Very unintuitive. So it took it in when I put it sideways, but it's not spitting it back out. Oh well. There goes my $1. Very interesting. To retrieve tickets, pull handle after last tickets dispensed. Well, that's for the handicap users. I don't know. Alright, so I'll try the Powerball. Something that's $5. See if we press this, what happens? Now credits. Please insert more bills. Okay, so we'll try the $5. ticket dispensing. Alright, so it's got a bunch of numbers on it. And I guess what you do is scan it. Transaction process. Results unavailable now. Check draw date or draw number. Saturday, August 10th. Okay, so this is for Saturday. That's why that lady came back. I just saw one here. She had this ticket and she came back from, I was trying to ask her where did she get the ticket. It's from here. So apparently you do it another date.